As a maintenance mechanic, you will typically be doing active maintenance, greasing, doing oil changes, and in-depth walkarounds to inspect the truck for failures. And you are the first line of defense against breakdowns. Active maintenance is the more important part of the job. However, passive maintenance like washing trucks is equally as important. With active maintenance, you are doing an activity that directly affects the longevity of your truck. With passive maintenance, you are indirectly affecting longevity by doing another activity. With this, you could drive your truck all nice and clean and rest easy that it won't be a great big rusted mess in 10 years. And that's why we're so adamant about keeping our trucks clean.